Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever designed something in Figma, maybe it's a series of images, mockups, or even a presentation, and found yourself wondering, how can I export all of this as a PDF? You're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your work in Figma as a crisp, professional quality PDF, whether it's a whole batch of images or just a single selection. Let's not waste any time, let's jump right in. So imagine you've got all your images or frames set up in your Figma file. Maybe you're prepping assets for a client, making a quick portfolio, or just need to share a nice multi-page PDF. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're in the right file, and you've organized everything you want to export. Remember, exporting is a lot smoother if you've clearly labeled your images or frames. Just like sorting your clothes before laundry, it saves time and avoids mix-ups. Once you're ready, head down to the bottom right corner of the Figma workspace. You'll find the Export section there. If you're new to Figma, this area might look a bit tucked away, but it's super important. It's basically your portal out of the app. Go ahead and select the images or frames you want to export. If you're exporting multiple images, you can select them all at once by holding Shift and clicking on each one. This step is really useful if you have, say, a multi-page presentation you want as a single PDF. With your items selected, look for the tiny plus button next to the export area. This calls up your export settings. Click it and you'll see some options show up. By default, Figma might suggest exporting as a PNG or JPG, but since we're aiming for a PDF, go ahead and change the format. There should be a drop-down menu, select PDF from the list. A quick tip here, PDFs are perfect if you want to share something that keeps its quality and looks professional, or if you want multiple images combined into a single document. This is especially handy for pitch decks, resumes, or client handoffs. After you've set the format to PDF, hit the Export button. This might take a moment if you've selected a lot of images, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Figma will bundle your selections and generate a PDF file, which you can then save to your computer wherever you like. And just like that, you have a neat, portable PDF version of your work. Now, what if you don't want to export everything? Maybe there's just a single image or frame you need to save as a PDF. The good news is that the process is almost the same, just a bit quicker. Just click the frame or image you want to export, no need to select anything else. Then head back down to the Export panel, hit that plus button again, pick PDF from the dropdown and click Export. It really is that simple. Figma makes sure you don't have to jump through any hoops to get just what you need. And that's it. With these easy steps, you can export any of your images or frames as a PDF in Figma, whether it's a bunch at once or just a single piece. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you feel ready to try it out on your own projects. If you have any questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below. I read everyone and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to like this video if it made your workflow easier, and subscribe for more step-by-step Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.